Swollen ankles and feet are common pregnancy discomforts. You must be wondering why your shoes are not fitting you and your rings feel tight. Well, you'll be surprised, but it is all too common. Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Kaushik, childbirth educator, lactation consultant and founder of Mom's Preg-Ladder. In my videos, I share educational as well as useful insights about pregnancy and beyond. And in this video, we will understand what are the reasons and symptoms associated with swollen feet and hands. We'll also discuss what are the warning signs, when should you reach out to your doctor, and lastly, what are the tips and remedies, especially home remedies, to manage swelling. Now, the medical term is called edema. It usually starts in the second trimester and it becomes more prominent as the days pass. If you are staying in warm conditions with high temperatures, this problem increases. Or if you're gaining weight rapidly during your pregnancy, or you're carrying multiple pregnancies like twins or triplets, then there are chances of developing edema. Why does this happen? Due to fluctuating pregnancy hormones, which results in water retention in your body. Now, this increase in water, it goes to the baby, placenta, amniotic fluid, and also towards increasing your blood volume. Now, one needs to understand that the uterus is growing in size and putting pressure on your pelvic veins. Now, this further restricts the flow of blood freely from your legs to your heart. When to seek medical help? Is it a serious condition? No, it is natural phenomena. It's mostly harmless and does not pose any threat to you or your baby. But there are some warning signs to watch out for. If there is puffiness on your face or around your eyes, in case you are gaining more than 2 kgs of weight every week, blurry vision or dizziness, there are severe persistent headaches, in case the swelling does not settle down in a day, even after adopting certain remedies, inform your doctor as soon as possible. Now, this can be a sign of preeclampsia, that is hypertension, and it is a serious condition. Or it can be a sign of deep vein thrombosis. It is characterized by blood clots forming in the legs. That can also be threatening. Let's look at the home remedies that one can do. Number 1, limit your salt intake. That will help with excessive water retention. 2, avoid canned or processed foods. And number 3, avoid pickles, chutneys or anything with high salt content. Number 4, increase your potassium intake. Potassium helps the body to balance amount of fluid. Eat foods like sweet potatoes, spinach, beetroot, potatoes, beans. Next, reduce your caffeine intake. Next, keep yourself hydrated. Number 7, keep your feet elevated. Even if you're working in the office, put a stool below to elevate your legs. Practice ankle rotations, flexing and arching of your feet. Next, try to sleep on your left side. It improves the blood flow and reduces the swelling in the feet. Next, wear loose, breathable, comfortable clothing, because tight clothes, especially around your ankle and your waist, will hamper the blood flow. Next, temperature around you should be cool. So stay cool. Avoid going out in the heat during summers or doing vigorous walks. But general walking is proven to be really helpful and the best to do because it helps with blood circulation. Next, in case you love water, go to the pool and enjoy yourself thoroughly. And lastly, massages. Who does not like this one? It will not only relieve you from the discomfort but also help in good blood circulation. Do take care of yourself, stay educated and enjoy your pregnancy. Also, don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more such science-based and interesting information.